Welcome to Spark Learning. In this video, we will use the Italian lattice method to solve multiplication problems. The Italian lattice method is a written method of multiplication mostly used for multiplying 2, 3, and 4-digit numbers together. It is a useful strategy for breaking down larger numbers into simple math facts, and all you need to do is follow a few simple steps. Let's work out 45 times 32 using the lattice method. The first step is to draw our lattice. We will draw a grid that matches the number of digits we have. In this case, 45 and 32 are 2-digit numbers, so we will draw a 2 by 2 grid. Then draw diagonal lines in each box that go from the bottom left-hand corner to the upper right-hand corner of the boxes. The second step is to label the lattice. We will take one of the numbers and write it on top of the lattice, putting each digit over each box, and we will write the second number on the right-hand side of the lattice. Now it's time to multiply the numbers. We will do this by multiplying every digit that meets in the grid. Let's start with 4 multiplied by 3. Well, 4 times 3 is 12, so we write the answer in the first grid or box. The upper triangle in each box holds the tens place digit and the lower triangle holds the ones place digit. Now let's continue multiplying the rest of the numbers that meet in the grid. 5 times 3 is 15, 4 times 2 is 8. Because 8 has no tens place digit, we will write 0 in the upper triangle and 8 in the lower triangle. 5 times 2 is 10, so we put 1 in the upper triangle and 0 in the lower triangle. Now the final step is to add each diagonal line of numbers in the grid. We will extend the diagonal lines and start from the bottom right-hand corner. We will start with 0, which is on its own, so we simply write it outside of the box. Next we have 8, 1, and 5. Because their sum is 14, we write 4 outside of the box and carry the digit in the tens place, which is 1, to the next diagonal line above it. 2 plus 1 equals 4, so we write 4 outside of the box and the digit in the top left-hand corner is 1, which is by itself, so we simply write 1 outside of the box. The numbers we wrote outside of the box reveal our answer, which is 1,440. So 45 times 32 is 1,440. Now let's use the lattice method to work out 376 times 215. First we draw a 3 by 3 grid, then draw the diagonal lines in each box. Next we label our lattice by writing 376 on the top and 215 on the right-hand side. Now it's time to multiply each digit that meets in the grid. Let's start with the first row. 3 times 2 is 6, 7 times 2 is 14, and 6 times 2 is 12. Let's move on to the second row. 3 times 1 is 3, 7 times 1 is 7, and 6 times 1 is 6. Now the third row. 3 times 5 is 15, 7 times 5 is 35, and 6 times 5 is 30. Finally, we extend our diagonal lines and add each diagonal row of numbers starting from the bottom right-hand corner. We start with 0, which is by itself, so we write 0 outside of the box. Next we add 5, 3, and 6 to get 14. 4 is written outside of the box and the 1 is carried to the next diagonal line. 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1 equals 18, so we write 8 outside of the box and carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 equals 10, so the 0 goes outside of the box and we carry the 1 again. 6 plus 1 equals 8, and the final diagonal line is 0 by itself, so we simply write it outside of the box. And our answer is 80,840. Now let's try some practice problems. Can you solve 63 times 57 using the lattice method? Pause this video and when you have your answer, press play. Okay, so we draw our 2 by 2 grid with diagonal lines, then we label it using the numbers from above. 6 times 5 is 30, 3 times 5 is 15, 6 times 7 is 42, and 3 times 7 is 21. Now we extend our diagonal lines and add the numbers in each diagonal row together, starting in the bottom right-hand corner. 1 is by itself, 2 plus 2 plus 5 equals 9, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 3 is by itself. The number outside of the lattice becomes our answer, so 63 times 57 is 3,591. Let's move on to the second practice question. Work out what 346 times 823 is using the lattice method. Pause this video and when you have worked it out, press play. Alright, so we have two 3-digit numbers, so we draw our 3x3 grid with diagonal lines, and then we label it. Now it's time to multiply. We'll start from the grid in the top left-hand corner and work our way down the rows. In the first row, 3 times 8 is 24, 4 times 8 is 32, and 6 times 8 is 48. In the second row, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, and 6 times 2 is 12. And finally, in the third row, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, and 6 times 3 is 18. Now let's extend our diagonal lines and add the digits inside, starting at the bottom right-hand corner. 8 is on its own, 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 5, 9 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 8 is 27, so we write 7 on the outside of the box and carry the 2. 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus the extra 2 is 14, so we carry the 1. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8, and 2 is by itself. We know the number outside of the lattice is our answer, so 346 times 823 is 284,758. And that's how you use the Italian lattice method for multiplying multi-digit numbers. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and a comment. To stay up to date with our latest educational videos, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.